Today we have to see the simultaneous equation which is solved by determinant method, or another name for that one is Cramar's rule. First we know what is determinant. Yes, here determinant. They are given to us here one determinant. In that determinant A, B, C and D, these are the four elements, and name of that determinant given here with English capital letter, and elements are English small letters. Such type of description is known as determinant. We have to solve such type of determinant, means we have to find out value of this determinant. We have to multiply these two, A and D. Okay, means first we have to multiply A with D, and then we have to subtract another multiplication, means remaining multiplication, C and D. This is the next multiplication which is subtracted from A and D. See here, that will be, therefore M means that determinant is equal to A into D minus C into D. Okay, A into D means AD and C into D means CD. M is equal to AD minus CD. If we know the values of A, B, C, D, we can easily calculate value of that determinant. Okay, now we have to see here, determinant usually represents by capital letters as A, B, C, D, etc. Means determinant is shown by only capital letters. Okay, then elements represented by small letters as A, B, C, D, etc. means determinant is usually shown by capital letters and elements are usually shown by these small letters. Okay, now we have to see some examples about this determinant. Okay, first example we have to take now. See here, that determinant is A is equal to minus 8, minus 3, 2 and 4. In this case, we have to find out value of the determinant A. Therefore, we have to multiply these two terms, these two numbers, and subtract the remaining one. Okay, see here, A is equal to minus 8 into 4. This is the first multiplication, minus 2 into minus 3 is the second multiplication. Okay, then minus into plus means we know that minus means minus 8 fours are 32, minus into minus, here this minus and this minus, minus into minus, once again plus, 3 twos are 6 means minus 32 plus 6 is there. A is equal to minus 32 plus 6, sign of larger number, that is minus, and we have to find out difference between these two, and it will be A is equal to minus 26 is the answer. Means value of this determinant A is minus 26. We have to take another example. Yes, B is equal to 2 root 3, 9, 2, 3 root 3. We have to multiply these two terms first and subtract the remaining one. Okay, see here, B is equal to 2 root 3 into 3 root 3. This product first, minus remaining one means 2 into 9, 2 into 9. Okay, we have to multiply here these two terms. First we have to take together and nextly these two. Okay, because here root sign is there, we can't multiply 2 and 3 here. Okay, therefore we have to take on it is as like this one, 2 into 3 and root 3 into root 3 we have to take on here. 2 9s are 18, we know that. Okay, now see here 2 into 3 means 2 3s are 6 and root 3 into root 3 means root 9. We have to write as like this one, 2 3s are 6 into root 9 minus 18. But we know that root 9 means 3. We have to put that value here. 6 into 3 minus 18. Okay, then 6 3s are 18 minus 18, here plus 18, here minus 18, both are opposite term, means finally its value will be 0. This is the value for determinant B. Such type of values we can easily calculate by the determinant. Yes. Another example now we have to take here. Different types of examples are here. See here, fractional determinant. Okay, C is equal to 7 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 3 upon 2, 1 upon 2. We have to do cross this first. Okay, see here, C is equal to 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 3. This cross first, minus remaining one. Okay, but multiplication is there. Multiplication means multiplication of numerator upon multiplication of denominator. Similarly here, multiplication of numerator divided by multiplication of denominator means 7 1s are 7, 3 2s are 6, 7 upon 6 minus 5 3s are 15 upon 3 2s are 6. Okay, C is equal to 7 upon 6 minus 15 upon 6. Again denominator same. We have to write that denominator as like, and 7 minus 15 we have to write in the numerator place. C is equal to 7 minus 15 upon 6. Its sign here plus. Okay, in the numerator place there are different signs. We have to write sign of the larger number, that is minus, and find out difference between these two, 15 and 7. Okay, that will be sign of larger number minus, that will be 8 upon 6. Again we have to simplify here, 2 3s are 2 4s are. Okay, means final answer will be C is equal to minus 4 upon 3 is the value of the determinant C. Okay, now we have to go ahead. See here another example. Now they are given to us value of that determinant is 10. Then find the value of A. A is in the determinant place. Okay, we have to find out value of that determinant. We have to go ahead by rule. We have to multiply these two first, means A into 2. Okay, and multiplication of second will be minus 1, because this is minus sign, therefore we have to write in the small bracket, into 4 is equal to value of that determinant is 10, therefore we have to return there 10. Okay, next 2 into A means 2A. This minus into this minus comes together plus. Okay, means minus into minus plus, means 2A plus 4 is equal to 10. We have to take 4 to the right side of that equality, then plus 4 is converted into minus 4. See here, plus 4 is converted into minus 4. Its sign here plus once again. Okay, different signs, sign of larger number, and find out difference once again. That difference will be 6. 2A is equal to 6, sign of larger number. finally we have to find out value of a. That's why we have to take 2 to the right side of that equality, means it is in the multiplication procedure. We have to take that will be in the division procedure to the right side of that equality. It means a is equal to 6 divided by 2. Again simplify. 2 ones are 2 threes are, means a is equal to 3. Okay, we got here that element which is shown in that determinant, that value of that element is 3. Such type of examples are also important. We have to see one by one. Now you know how we solve determinants, such type of determinants. Okay, yes. Now we have to go ahead. Next part of this one. Yes. Now we have to see how to solve simultaneous equations by determinant method, or name of that one, another name for that one is Cramar's rule. See here, solution of simultaneous equation by Cramar's rule. Very important rule, very simple one. We can easily calculate values in that equations. Okay, which variable is given to us, we can easily calculate value for that one. We have to take here one of the example in terms of variables. Okay, a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. This is the first equation where x and y are the variable, a1, b1 and c1 are real numbers. Okay, another equation, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. In this case, x and y are the variables, a2, b2 and c2 are the real numbers. We have to find out value of the determinant d. D means we have to take coefficients of x and y only, a1, b1, a2, b2. a1, b1, a2, b2 are the coefficients of x and y. Remember this one. This is important. We know how we solve these two. How we can find out value of that determinant? We know that. Therefore, d is equal to a1 into b2. This cross first, and then a2 into b1. This cross nextly. Now we have to find out value of the determinant dx. In this case, we have to take, when we have to find out value of the determinant dx, x, at that time we eliminate these two, a1 and a2. Only see determinant d. In place of a1 and a2, we have to write these two values, c1 and c2. See here, c1 and c2. Okay, means in place of a1, a2, we have to write c1, c2, and b1, b2, it is as like this. Means when we have to find out dx, at that time remove a1 and a2 and write there c1 and c2. Okay, now we can find out value of that determinant. This cross first, and remaining we have to subtract from that one. Okay, see here, dx is equal to c1 into b2 minus c2 into b1. Okay, next determinant dy. See, again we have to observe the first determinant d. When we have to find out dx, we have to eliminate a1 and a2, b1, b2, it is as like this. When we have to find out dy, at that time we have to eliminate b1 and b2. b1, b2 are the coefficient of y, and we have to find out value of dy. At that time we have to eliminate b1 and b2, and we have to write c1 and c2 in that place. Okay, a1, a2, it is as like this. Okay, therefore D is equal to, we have to return here A1, A2 and C1, C2. Again, we have to do this cross first. Okay, dy is equal to A1, C2 minus A2, C1. This cross minus we have to do here. Again, we have to use the Cramar's rule. By Cramar's rule, this is important. Now we use Cramar's rule. Firstly, we have to calculate the value of the determinants and now use Cramar's rule. We have to find out values of the variables. First variable is x, means x is equal to dx upon d. We know the value of dx and d. Put here values of dx and d and calculate value of x. Similarly, y is equal to dy upon d. We can calculate it, dy and d, put the values here, and finally we have to calculate value of y. Similarly, we can write the final answer. Therefore, x comma y is equal to, we have to put the values, x is equal to and y is equal to, here is equal to, and then that is the solution of given simultaneous equation by Cramar's rule. Now we have to take actual example for this one. See here, solve by Cramar's rule or determinant method. Okay, 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0, and another equation 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y. In this case, 4x plus 3y, this constant term we have to take right side up that equality. Then it becomes plus 4, means 4x plus 3y is equal to 4. And in this case, 5y to the right side of that equality. Therefore, we have to take to the left side of that equality. That value we have to take left side of that equality, means variables are comes to the one side of that equality. Means this equation will be 6x plus 5y is equal to 8. Now see here how we converted that one. First equation becomes 4x plus 3y. We have to take a minus 4 to the right side. Then it becomes 4 or plus 4. That is the equation number 1. And second becomes 6x minus 5y. When it comes to the left side of that equality, then it becomes plus 5y is equal to 8. This is the equation number 2. See here. Now we have to find out values of d, dx and dy. D means 4, 6, 3, 5. We know that. Lastly, we have to see that one. Therefore, determinant D here. D is equal to 4, 6, 3, 5. 4, 6, 3, 5. Or 4, 3, 6, 5. 4, 3, 6, 5. Such type you take there. This cross we have to do first and subtract the remaining one. Therefore, it becomes D is equal to 4 into 5 minus 6 into 3. Okay. 4 5s are 20, we know that, and 6 3s are 18. It is also we know that. Therefore, it becomes t is equal to 20 minus 18. Its sign here plus. Different signs are there. Therefore, we have to write the sign of larger number and find out difference between these two. And this difference will be 2 and sign will be plus. Okay. This is the value of determinant D. Now we have to go ahead. Another determinant dx. Dx means we know that we have to cancel the coefficient of x, 4 and 6. We have to cancel here and write in place that one 4 and 8. Okay. See here. Then this becomes 4 and 8. Firstly we have to take on and 3 5, it is as like this one. 3 5, it is as like this one. Coefficient of y, we have to cancel there. Coefficient of x, in place of that one we have to write 4 and 8. Okay, 4 and 8 we have to take this in the equation to the right side of that equation. Okay, these are the constant we have to write at that place, means 4 and 8. Now easily now calculate value of that determinant. Okay, this cross we have to do first. Okay, dy is equal to 4 into 8 minus 6 into 4. We know that multiplication. Okay, dy is equal to 32 minus 24. Again it's sign plus, sign of larger number, and find out the difference, that will be 8. This is the value of determinant dy. We can calculate it here, value of determinant d, dx and dy. Okay, now we use Cramar's rule. By Cramar's rule, okay, we know the formula for that one. X is equal to dx upon d. We know the value dx, that is minus 4, value of d, that is 2. Again we have to simplify, 2 ones are 2 twos are, means minus 2 is the answer. Similarly, we have to find out value of y. dy upon d is the formula. 8 upon 2, simplify, 2 ones are 2 fours are. Okay, that's answer will be 4. Therefore we can write here x comma y is equal to value of x, that is minus 2, and value of y, that is 4. Okay, is the solution of given simultaneous equation by Cramar's rule. Such type of examples are very, very important. Okay. Now we have to see here another type of example. Okay, x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2, and another equation 2x is equal to 2 minus 3y. Means here fractions are there. We have to convert it into regular equation. Okay, how? See here. In this case we have to return that equation as like this. In the denominator place there is 2. We have to cancel it, means we have to multiply this 2 to the each term of that equation. We have to write there, multiply both side by 2. Why we multiply 2? Because 2 in the denominator place. Okay, its LCM is 2. Therefore we have to multiply that value. See here how we multiply. 2 into x, that is the first term, minus 2 into y upon 2 is equal to 2 into 1 upon 2. Here 2 get cancelled. Here also cancel. 2x, 2 into x means 2x minus y is equal to 1 is the equation. 2x minus y. Its coefficient here 1. Okay, remember this one. When coefficient are not written, we have to take 1 there. This is the equation number 1. Now we have to take second one. We have to take 3y to the left side of that equality. Then it becomes plus 3y. Therefore, that will be 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 is the second equation. And we can easily solve such type of examples by Cramar's rule. Means we have to first find out determinant d, dx and dy. Okay, then we have to use the Cramar's rule. X is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d, and solve such type of examples that are to be important. Okay, that's all.